Hi guys, today I will show you how to install osintgram tool in your Kali Linux in Android. So I will show you how the hackers will take your information of Instagram. So this video is only for education purpose, guys. Be safe. Okay. So first go to Google and search for the osintgram GitHub. Okay. Click the first one. Okay. See this one the GitHub. This one GitHub. Okay. After that, clone this tool. Okay. I already shown this video in my YouTube channel, guys, but some people getting the error, so I'm showing you again. Okay. After that, get clone. Maybe it's given for us. Just paste it. Okay. It's already get clone is there. Just paste and press enter. Okay. I already installed this one, guys, so that's why I'm not doing again. After that, you can see here cd osintgram. Okay. Second. Okay. Now I am in the osintgram directory. After that, copy this one python 3 -m. Okay, copy this one and paste it here and press this one. Okay, it will install the python 3. It's not a language, the win. Okay, it will install the win, the creatory. It will install the virtual environment of the project. Okay, after that, it's asking for the virtual environment again of the Windows or PowerShell or on the Linux on GitHub. Okay, you have to copy this source, copy this one, the Linux, copy the fourth one, the Linux, copy it and press enter and press enter. It will come here the win. Okay, you can see here the win. Okay, after that make ls again. After that, copy this one, the fifth one, pip-r requirement.txt. Okay, copy that one and paste it here and press enter. Okay, it will install the requirement files. Okay guys, this one. Okay, it will install the requirement files of your tool. After that, make setup, jump on the sixth command. Okay, the sixth, the downside, and press enter. Now it's asking for you the Instagram user. Okay, you have to put your Instagram account, so you have to make the fake ID. Okay, don't make the fake ID. For example, I'm showing the fake ID, how the hackers will take your information, how they will take your information. So after that, the username I already put in. Okay, and the fake ID's password I'm putting now. Okay, see guys, the recordation is done now. Okay, after that, this one. After that, copy this one, the seventh command, python 3 main.py. Okay, copy it and press here, paste it here, and you have to put your username. The username, I will put my username for example. So this video is only for education purpose, guys, so be safe, and I'll press enter. See guys, attempt to login. See guys, it's running successfully. So this video is only for education purpose, guys, so be safe. Okay, when I make list, you can see here list. You can use any type of the hacker will take your information, guys. See here, this type of they will take your information. If you want a full practical video of this tool, you can join in my Telegram channel. I will give the full video there. So thanks for watching, guys.